We are joined by the fabulous ladies from Pinnacle Plastic Surgery. Dr. Audrey Klenke is with us again, and Liz Sakala, licensed medical esthetician. Always so good to have you ladies here. Now, the bra project is wrapping up.
We are.
When are y'all going to announce the winner?
We're having a big party. So the Bra Project Wrap Party is on November 3rd. It's a Tuesday. We're at the Hilton Head Hospital Bluffton Medical Campus, which is the big new building right off 278 in Bluffton. And we're going to announce the winner, so the big winner, and she's going to get a big grand prize. But there's food and lots of fun stuff going on, so we'd love to just have everybody out for a party.
What time does it start?
Oh, we start at 6:30.
Perfect.
But come early.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to sneak in there.
Mingle.
Yeah, definitely. Mingle, see all of the exhibits and everything. Now, tell us a little bit about some of the entries.
So the bras this year were pretty phenomenal. Last year was phenomenal, and this year sort of took it up a notch, I think. But we've got girls from both the Bluffton High School, Hilton Head High School, and Savannah Arts Academy. So they all were sort of competing against each other, which is fun.
You got some hefty
For a good
competition
cause.
there. I mean,
I'm
the
telling
art
ya.
programs there. So this is going to be
phenomenal.
exciting to see the reveal.
Yeah.
November 3rd.
November
3rd, mark your calendars.
Yeah.
And the medical spa has a brand new name. Tell us about all of that.
Yes, so we are now Pure Medical Spa. So we're still within Pinnacle, but we're offering a whole lot more in terms of services, and we're really excited about it. But I think the main thing that we want to get across is, for us, it's beauty on your terms. So a lot of times people go to get a facial, like you said, or go to a medical spa and they feel very pressured. There's a lot of pressure to buy stuff and do stuff, and sometimes that's not what you came in for. So everybody's different, and that's what Liz does a great job, finding out what it is that bothers you and what you want to address, and then you come up with a plan that makes sense for you. So we're trying not to make people feel a lot of pressure, just feel better.
That kind of freedom, it's like it's worth its weight in gold. It really is. And so what type of cosmetic treatments are y'all going to be offering at Pure?
Well, we really like to focus on medical grade, science-based services to really get to the root of whatever issues you're having with your skin. So all sorts of stuff from standard facials to hydrofacials, which is probably one of the most popular services I do.
There's a reason for that.
Yes,
They
people
feel
love
awesome.
their hydrofacials.
Yeah.
They feel amazing, and you're getting results. So it doesn't just feel good, you actually see a change, I think.
Nice way to get glowing skin. It's a great way to just maintain your results from whatever, anything, and to just maintain nice, healthy, glowy skin. Also, chemical peels. We do a couple different types of chemical peels, from superficial to medium depth to pretty deep peels. So those are a great way to slough off dead summer skin and reveal your nice youthful glow.
Because it's hard to resist that summer sun and being active outside. We have so many active people, the folks here at Sun City, you know, but there is repair right around the corner at Pinnacle for you.
Time to undo.
Now, you guys have two new services that you're offering at Pure. Tell us.
We do two things I'm really excited about. I know we're all excited about them. We're now offering full body waxing services.
It's not your typical wax.
Not your typical wax.
Tell
It's
me.
actually not even a wax, but it's the same method as waxing. It's actually a soy-based product that adheres to the hair and not the skin. So it doesn't tug and pull on your skin. It's a lot less irritating for facial waxing.
Yeah.
So people who are typically sensitive to brow waxes or whatever usually do really well with the wax.
Yeah, and I think especially like sensitive areas, bikini line, even underarms. Yeah, using a product that's geared towards maintaining skin and trying not to injure the skin, I think makes a big difference. And people appreciate that. And people who've had waxing who try this, huge difference. So
it actually hurts a lot less too,
yeah.
believe it or not.
Much less uncomfortable because you're not pulling on the skin. You're just pulling on the hair.
Right.
Say goodbye.
Yeah.
Second new treatment?
Second, we are now going to be offering microneedling, which is fairly new on the market. It's also known as collagen induction therapy. It promotes collagen production within the skin, so it's great for really rebuilding collagen. It's great for fine lines, acne scarring, even scars from surgeries or anything that you may have had. Stretch marks.
Trust me, I've got my eye on that situation.
Be expectant.
Microneedling is great, and I think again, Liz does a great job figuring out the important things like, you know, what are we treating? How deep do I need to go? What downtime do you have? What products are you using? Because there's a lot that goes into that that's very important to understand about each patient.
Sure.
But it can be done pretty much anywhere on the body, and it's very little recovery time. So I think that's going to be a really popular, very fun treatment.
Absolutely. And on staff, you also have a certified permanent makeup artist, Becky Brinson, who I know well, love her.
Becky does an awesome job.
wonderful.
Our
She does.
patients just love Becky, and sometimes they'll come back just to say hi to Becky. But Becky is very skilled as well as friendly. So she does the permanent makeup for eyeliner, brows. She does lips. She does the nipple and areolar reconstruction for our breast
Which is
cancer
huge,
patients. She
huge.
does scar camouflage. We have people with skin conditions where they have blotchy skin conditions. And she's like a magician. It's amazing.
And, you know, having worked with Becky personally, having had my top lids done, it's totally painless. It was fast. It was easy. It looks phenomenal. It has taken my routine to like 10 minutes a
Isn't
day.
that awesome?
It's awesome. It's like one of the best things I've ever done besides seeing you for some of your other services.
Yeah, she just does a great job. We love having her.
Now you guys have some monthly specials coming up.
Our special for November is Hydrofacial Rains as seasons change. And it's actually a great deal. If you purchase one hydrofacial, you get your second one half off. So
Great deal.
yeah, I like to recommend them. Most people do about every 4 to 6 weeks, just as maintenance. I like to recommend minimum 4 times a year. They change with every season.
Perfect.
So yeah.
And so people want to learn more about Pure Medical Spa. How can we find out more? We have a seminar coming up.
We do, yeah, we definitely have a seminar coming up. That's the easiest way to learn about all the goodies. So we're gonna sparkle and shine for holiday time, and we'll be doing 2 lecture series. So one's out on the island at the Arts Center, and then one's right here in Sun City, like our favorite place to be. So we're excited to come out and kind of talk to you about what's new, what's the latest and greatest, because things constantly change. So for people to keep up, you really have to pop in and see what's new and what's old. And figure out kind of what might work for you.
Pure Medical Spa has some phenomenal products. Tell us the latest with Zeo.
Yes, so we carry ZO. It's a brand by Dr. Zain Obagi, who is the mastermind behind the original Obagi line, which everyone pretty much knows about.
Loves.
Yeah. So he left the company, sold it a few years back, and really rebranded everything and revamped it, and I like to call it the new and improved Obagi.
It absolutely
it's
is.
wonderful.
I think so. Skincare is one of those things that, again, with research constantly changing, we know what things work together, what things you shouldn't use together. He's brought in a lot of organic, fruit-based things that, you know, like licorice is in one of the products, and you've got things that people these days want to know that their products are clean,
Absolutely.
but still work. So I think that's the key to this line, is that it's still an effective line. But people love using it, and you do need someone like Liz to help you. 'Cause
yeah,
there's so
to
many
navigate it.
products.
So many products.
And not the same thing works for everybody.
Yeah, people come in and they're like, I have no idea what to do or what to use, or
Yeah.
so.
And some other
it's
lines
good to-
do kits where everyone gets the same kit, but not everyone has the same skin. Right. So you kind of want someone to help guide you through. Lifestyle is a big part of it. Some people say, I've only got 5 minutes. What can I do? So you're hitting the highlights of what's really going to make a difference. And we all have different favorites. Like my favorite is the lip rebuild. So it's a little bit of retinol for your lips, so you're turning over those old skin cells. But everyone has their favorite. What's your
Mine's
favorite?
probably another one that you love is the Daily Power Defense.
Love it.
It's a moisturizer, not even really thick enough to be moisturizer, but it's packed full of antioxidants, so it really protects your skin from free radicals, things that damage our healthy cells and cause aging.
It's probably best to get a consultation so they can really spend some time with you.
I think so.
Folks are always welcome to pop in to Pinnacle and to just stop in and see what's going on there and peruse. But I think really like having a consultation is one of the best things that you can possibly do, just to be walked through your myriad product lines and.
I think so.
Absolutely.
And one of the other favorites out there is Latisse.
Oh, yes. I'm jealous. I had to take a pause on my Latisse, but I'll be back. Don't worry. Yeah, Latisse is a fan favorite because it really cuts down on the maintenance. Like a lot of people have previously done lash extensions.
Yes.
And that's a lot of maintenance. I mean, it's a lot of work. and you can't do it at home. Whereas Latisse, you're popping it on before you go to bed and you're done.
Yeah.
In the first 16 weeks, you do it once a day or once a night, but then after that, you really only have to do it 2, maybe 3 days a week
Yeah.
just to maintain.
I mean, case in point,
And it
right?
really works.
And it
It really does.
phenomenal.
It's. I took pictures my first time, you know, because I was like, no way. And like within 4 weeks, I saw a difference.
Absolutely. It's
8
amazing.
weeks, major difference. 16 weeks, huge difference.
It's impressive.
And
It
so,
is impressive.
so just on that whole maintenance thing, 2-3 times a week now. I mean, it's
easy.
It's one of the best products
It's like
that's
a
out there.
no-brainer. We have some patients that don't wear mascara anymore. It's
No
easy.
need.
Don't need to.
Yeah.
Yeah, so people love that one. What are some other favorite products?
Ooh, dermaplaning. That's another good service.
Dermaplaning is a fun one.
It's a method of exfoliation, but it also removes the peach fuzz hair that we all have on our face.
Yes.
So it's really nice. It's pretty gentle. Almost anyone can do it. But it just leaves you with really, really nice, smooth skin. Your makeup goes on so smooth and just gives you a really nice glow. And that
And
can be done
zero
monthly.
downtime.
Yeah, zero downtime.
And zero downtime.
No
No
downtime.
downtime.
It's really nice.
Perfect. So, Pinnacle Plastic Surgery, the place that you want to go, get in touch with them. The best way to reach you all?
Website, probably the best place to start. It's pinnacleplasticsurgerymd.com. You can call us anytime. We're at 843-815-6699. You can stop in. We're in Sheridan Park. We sit right behind Bluffton Tire and Auto off 278. That's the best way.
And you are not in better hands than with these ladies right here at Pinnacle Plastic Surgery. Always so good to have you, and we'll be right back.